morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I Tapas sir. Today going to teach grammar way to standard 2 students. Today's lesson is lesson number 16. Lesson number 16 today I am going to teach. As this lesson in your annual exam course, so please listen it attentively at home. Today's lesson is had. Had means it is a verb which is generally used in past time or past perfect tense. Let's see. Had is also used to show belongings to, but had refers to a time before now. Means had shows things belongs to someone. Through had we can show that anything belongs to someone. Had also shows the time which is past before. It is not now. We are not talking about the time now. It has already passed. It is said past perfect tense. It is also said past perfect tense. Examples. This market had better road before. This house had bigger garden till 2015. Means in both the case we can see had is written because had shows the work or the time which had already over. First sentence, this market had better road before, means the road of the market now it is not that much good condition. It used to be better in the past. And second, this house had bigger garden till 2015, means this house had a bigger garden till 2015, means now in 2021 the garden is not that much big. So we are talking about two incidents which had been happened in the past. Had is used both in singular noun and plural nouns as well as with plural nouns and pronouns like. Means had is a verb which we use in both the case in singular as well as plural nouns and pronouns. You can see pronouns like he, she, it. These are three singular pronouns. You, they and we are plural pronouns. Now nouns, Rajesh father tree singular nouns. Rajesh father tree singular noun or one name of one person or thing. Rohit and Suresh and children. This Rohit and Suresh two names are given. This plural and children also plural. See with picture I will explain you how we use had. We had a one bedroom flat till last year, means now we don't have, but till last year we had one bedroom flat, means we had one room bedroom flat till last year. So had is used because this verb shows that we had one bedroom flat, not now, it last year. Last year shows it is about past perfect tense. Next one is you had a sports car toy that you lost. You had a sports car toy that you lost, means you used to have a sports car but you don't have now because you have lost. So it was in the past you had a sports car toy. He had several pencils yesterday. Here also you can see yesterday. Yesterday shows that the incident happened in the past. So he used to have pencils several pencils with him yesterday. So he is singular pronoun. Here also we have used had. We, in the first sentence I have told you, it was plural pronoun, and there also we have used had, and in the singular pronoun he also we used had. Sunit had a bad cold last week. Sunit was suffering from bad cold, not now. You can see last week. Last week shows that the action had happened in the past, so it is considered to be past perfect tense. So Sunit is a singular noun. Here also we have used had. Now about the exercise part, tick the sentences that use has, have or had correctly. Cross out the incorrect sentence. One has been done for you. The teacher has their own lockers. The teacher has their own locker. It is wrong because teachers plural. In plural noun we cannot use has. We have to use have. It is written has, so the sentence is wrong. Second one, my aunt has a baby last week. Here last week shows that the work or the action had already happened in the past, so it is past perfect tense, and past perfect tense always have had. My aunt had a baby last week. It should be my aunt had a baby last week, so this sentence is also wrong. Third one, Amit has a new pair of shoes. Here also you can see the sentence is in present perfect tense, so we have written base noun Amit. We are talking about a singular noun or one boy Amit, so it is correct. The sentence having has, it is correct sentence. Amit has a new pair of shoes. It is tick. Next one is, see, rewrite the sentence using has, have and had correctly. You can see first one, I has many friends. Generally in present perfect tense or past perfect tense, we generally use I had, past perfect tense, but present perfect tense we generally use have. But in this sentence it is written I has many friends. It is totally wrong. It should be I have many friends. Second one, they have two elder sisters. He have two elder sisters. He is singular. Singular case we don't write have, we write had, because we are talking about sisters in the past. They means he had sisters, so he had two elder sisters. Next comes camel. Third one, camels had humps on their back. The camels, we are talking about present perfect tense. Camels is plural. Plural case we have to write have, not had. Camels have humps on their, generally camels have hump on their head, the back. Fourth one, my school bag have 4 pockets. Here also you can see my school bag. Bag is singular. Singular subject always have has in their present perfect tense. So it should be my school bag has 4 pockets. But it is written here my school bag have. So have is wrong. Verb here used. You should write has. My school bag has 4 pockets. This lesson is over, children. So I have discussed to you the lesson. It is about had, means present perfect tense. Had is used both in singular noun and pronoun as well as plural noun and pronoun. Through examples, through those pictures I have explained you. You please see this video again and again. Then I am sure you will have no doubt regarding this lesson had. Thank you, children, for watching this video. God bless you. Till we meet again with new lesson. Bye bye.